Yo, what is going on guys? My name is Depolarize and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you're going to open someone's message without them knowing or receiving a notification. Alright, so let's get into it. So I'm going to send myself a message and I'm just going to write hello, and I'm also going to send a full stop because that is the smallest message that you can send. There we go. And I'm just going to close this. The way you do it is you just normally open the message but don't let go and swipe all the way until you read the message, even the full stop, and then just swipe back. And as you can see on their screen it says delivered, and on yours it is still there. So just like that, you've read the message and on their screen it still shows that you haven't opened it. So that is how you half swipe on Snapchat. If you want any other tutorials, please let me know in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.